Okay, everybody. This is a 1970's 15-inch Toastmaster box fan. And this is another one of my more vintage fans here. This was also another fan that I acquired off of eBay. I do believe it was last year. And as you can tell, the fan has already been restored. I do have videos of when I first got it and of what it originally looked like. Maybe some of you might have seen it on eBay before, but if you look, the fan has been painted a dark hunter green, and I repainted both the front and the back guards a white and enable. If you look there in the very center of the hub, that retains the original color, and that gives you the indication of what color the fan originally was. It has 4 aluminum blades, and there is the Toastmaster badge there that's mounted on there. I went and I cleaned that up, and I polished it down with some turtle wax. It does have a few scuffs on it, but I may do the repaint the cabinet again in the future. Did have the original handle to it. Well, it just had the 2 parts there where the handle broke off, but I replaced it from a handle off of an old patent heater. It has the original knob. It is a 3-speed, and it has the Toastmaster insignia there on the knob. Knob looks to be in pretty good shape. We'll go ahead and we'll turn it around here and have a look at it, the back view. Here's the back of the fan. I'm not exactly sure if you can see that motor there, but it looks to be in pretty good shape. It's basically just a mounted arm of two links there. And there's the lock washers to protect it from vibration. It actually has an oil port. I oiled it. I think oiled it right when I finally restored it, but I don't use this fan all that much, and I'll explain why here in a minute. But there's the front and the back guards here. As I mentioned before, they look to be in pretty good shape. They're not bent or anything like that. Everything's well together. It's basically just clamped onto the top here, and it's mounted by 2 bolts here at the bottom. And you can see there's the wiring there. I've been trying to do some work with it, and the heat shrinking and all in there. The cord that you see here, this is not the original cord. I did replace it. I got it all spliced up. The cord originally ran down from the back brace here, but you can see the hole there from where the cord was coming out. So I basically just ran the cord in through here on the side to where it would be easier to take it apart. That way the cord is not in the guard there. I do have the original cord to it. There was nothing wrong with it, but I just decided to replace it, to give it a newer cord. There's the grommet there from where I ran it in through the other side. Alright. There's a reason. Okay, first of all, I really don't use the fan all that much. It's a really neat fan, and I really like it, and in as good shape as it appears to be, but it has a serious balancing problem, and I've even thought to ask a few fan people out there on YouTube, why is 4-bladed blade sets more prone to be unbalanced, and why they're so difficult to get balanced. Nobody cares to answer, not that I give a shit. I mean, whether anybody's gonna comment on the video or not. I really don't care. But you can see that I have a piece of paper here on the bottom, and I just kind of marked it. I just gave it like a little horizon, to try to balance the blade, and it's so hard. It's such a pain in the ass, and I don't know. I mean, the shaft on it appears to be very well rooted. The hub is not loose from the blade set or anything like that. I mean, I don't know if I would. I'm not exactly sure if I would have to go in the method of applying JB Will to it, or trying to put doing the magnet on the blade trick. I've already tried that. Nothing has helped. I'll go ahead and I'll plug it in to where you can see what I've got here, what I'm dealing with. Alright, I've got the fan hooked in. Before I turn it on, I'll just go ahead and I'll show this to you. Get it turned on its backside here. I did take a couple of pieces of felt pad and I stuck it to the bottom of it. Hopefully that would help with the vibration. But it's still gonna... really didn't do much of any help. But let me go ahead and turn this thing on to where you can see what it does, how it behaves when it runs. Okay, here we go. We'll start up from the low speed. When it kicks up to full speed, it's probably going to start to slide across the table a little bit. It's rattling. Technically, it's really not all that bad on low speed. It just rattles. Alright, we'll kick it up to medium now. Now we'll throw it up to high. Sorry. Well, I'll be damned. It's stable now. Last time it might be stuff that I have there on the table, but if I put it on the floor, it's probably going to start to slide across the floor. But it's got vibration to it. It's a really neat fan, though. I mean, these old fans, and all, I guess they're gonna vibrate and they're gonna act out of the ordinary no matter what you do. Price to it really wasn't all that bad either. I think we gave I'm not gonna give the price of it. But it really wasn't all that bad. You also would see that it runs counterclockwise. It's not too bad. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll capture a startup sound. Oh, there went my mustache trimmer. Oh, damn it. Okay, now. Best startup sound on the fan in my opinion. Here we go. Here's a low. Okay, what I'll do now is that I'm gonna take and put the fan here in the floor, and I'll let you see what it does. It's gonna start to rumble the floor, and it's gonna shake across the place. Here we go. Really not that bad on medium or low. Probably the best thing to do with these type of fans in situations like this is to just, if you have carpet or a rug or anything like that, it's really not all that bad. Well, okay, everybody. Spin down time on it's really not all that bad either. It's not in particularly a bad fan. Just has one of those vibration issues, but I think that's about the best it's gonna get. This will be a good fan come the fall time. It'll be right over there in my window. I might make a video on that in just a few short months. So, well, there you go, everybody. Whether you'll comment or not, it's really up to you. Please like, subscribe, and any thoughts or comments, let me know. More videos to come, and bye-bye.